How's it going, everyone? This is Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys precise bottoms and stops and tops in the stock market. And I want to go over Lockheed Martin, LMT, because of all the things that's going on in the world. And I just want to show you guys my system, where would I would be buying this, and where is our potential price target. So, and before I get too into this video, I do want to remind you guys, if you're a swing trader and you're looking to make high returns with low risk, with an over 95% win ratio strategy that I'm about to show you, join the premium Discord for only $6. You won't regret it. I'll put that in the YouTube comments and in my YouTube description, and you will see exactly why this is the #1 swing trading strategy that anyone can follow if you have strict discipline and patience. So this is LMT. I'm going to show you guys how these bands work, that I customize the settings, and what I use with my other indicators, and how we look for a nice, how do we get to a nice gain, right? So the upper band is a sell zone. When price hits that upper band, you look to see a sell-off. And if you want to get into puts, that is a nice idea. And the bottom band is a buy zone, and that is where you would look to buy shares or calls or whatever you like to do, as this is going to be your best risk versus reward. This middle band is where your trend is going to be respected. When we went down here, as long as we're going up and up and up and we're bouncing, you can also do it as an uptrend strategy. So how I do like to play it is I like to buy at the bottom band. I'm going to show you, look around here for an example. Right in here is the bottom band, and the most important thing that not a lot of people use is time distance. With this strategy, time distance is the #1, and that is this middle band here. We know price will hit this middle band. We just know that. We know it has to hit it, and it will hit it in a certain amount of time frame according to the mathematics of this strategy, right? Everything hits this middle band around. It can hit it at any time, right? Like you can see right in here, it magnets it. When it goes away from the middle band, that's 1 day, 2 day, and then bam, the 3rd day hits. What I look for is around your 2 to 3 weeks of not hitting it, because if you wait that long, the band is, we know price has to hit it, so there's less downside that it can do. And then if we follow our rules of buying at the lower band, and then also a low K on the KDJ, which is this line over here, your win ratio has dramatically improved by over 95%, as I've been doing this strategy for over 6 years, and that is what you're going to look at. And like I said, I've been doing the Discord. I only lost 1 trade in over 8 months. I'm that confident. And one of those trades that I lost was a penny stock. You stick to the bigger cap stocks, your win ratio that I've been doing is 100%. And I'm going to just keep showing you guys examples, and then I'm going to show the current data and what I would do. So here's the strategy here. As you can see, we get close to the lower band. We have some time distance, and guess what? Price reverts back. Not the greatest amount of time distance, and not as close. It's close, but not the greatest. This one's a little better on time distance. We get closer here. We get time distance, and guess where price goes? To a T, hits the middle band. We're not surprised about that, right? Let's look at a reverse strategy where we look for puts and all. So price gets right here, it touches here, 1, 2. That's not enough time distance. I would not take it. I need at least see it closer to 2 weeks. So 3 days here, 4 days here, 5 days, that's a week. This is going on your 2nd week here with a touch of the lower band. Price has to go back to the middle band, and then bam, shoots all the way down here from 455 to 417. Massive gains on the puts. Right in here, we see some time distance here. We hit here, get close to here, and then wow, that's a mess. Well, that's an earnings play. You would never play earnings play. That's flipping a coin. Right in here, time distance, no touch, and then bam, we get our touch right in there. So as you can see, it definitely works, but there's a lot of these trades I wouldn't take, like this. It's not close to the lower band. Oh, here's the COVID era. If you want to look at the hardest times in the stock market, even this strategy would have done amazing work. Right in here, we touch the middle band. Next touch was here, lower band touch. We zoom right back up. Bam, 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 bam. We get our time distance. Accumulate shares here. Accumulate shares here. We get a touch up in there. So this is a strong company. I love this company. It's one of my favorites. This is a really nice company to own, and I love it when it goes to the lower band, as that is where I'm going to buy my shares for a nice gain. So now we all know what's going on in the world. At this current date of April 14th, we had Iran and Israel have a conflict with each other. So I do think this one out of all the stocks is the one I would play, just because it's a safer one. Is not too far up from the upper band here. As you can see, when it gets up here, it sells off. There's not a lot of time distance. We're just right now on the middle band, so we could very well head up to this upper band here, quite potentially, right? Right now, we're kind of just stagnated to this middle band. There's nothing really going on. But in my personal opinion, we wanted to take the trade when it was way down here, when we had nice time distance and closer to the lower band. This was not an exact trade, but there was several trades like right in here and right in here that would have been a nice gain. So just keep an eye on this trade. We want to see is we want to see this middle band respected, and we want to just go for an uptrend, right? Because what you see right here, as we're seeing the trend line here, we're constantly hitting this upper band, this middle band, and it's slow and it's going up. When you see the candles doing this, this is very bullish. But when you see the candles hit this upper band, expect a correction. You do not want to be buying any of these shares in here, because you will be, losing out on potential profits. Because if you buy right here at 455 and then it hits this middle band, you lose out on, some gains that you could have had the average down here and have less emotions. The key of the objective is have less emotions, make as much money as possible, and trade a system that works, right? When you include all these details in there, you will be a profitable trader. I think this stock goes up on April 15th due to all the things going on. And looking at all the stocks, this is the one that I would potentially get into, just because it's not too far away from the upper band. So you have a nice target there. But like I did say, I do want to buy it kind of under here. But if you were going to choose one, this is one of your safest ones. And also has some nice dividends, so that's nice to see. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and find my best trade alerts, where you guys can win over 95% of your trades too, and do this full time if you're not a full-time trader, and also if you just want extra tools to see like how does trend reversals work, that's what I do. I get in before the trend reverses, right? I want to know when the price is down here. I do not want to be buying puts down here when I see all this blood in the street. I want to be buying the calls and the shares, and I want to make that money for the run up. You want to know exactly when a trend reversal is happening. This is the strategy. It is unique. I'm the only one that has developed it as far as I'm concerned. And I do things opposite of retail traders. Retail traders follow the trend and get in, and then when it breaks the trend, they lose massive money, like right in here. Bam! The trend's going up, and then bam, bam, bam. Like, they lose all of it in a blink of 2 days right there. I'm getting in at the safe risk versus reward, because I have a system that shows me where these trends are weakening, and I get in ahead of the time, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6. You can get my exact trade alerts, which is in here. Looks like this. I'm very transparent, and I show you guys exactly when I enter, and I'll show you guys exactly when I exit. I don't just give you a watch list and say, these are following the system, look to get in, and you're on your own. You're not on your own. You paid the membership, and yes, it's only $6, and I want to make it that cheap, because I want anyone to be able to get in here and not say it's too expensive and not get their feet wet. Anybody can be a successful trader as long as you put the work in, you're willing to give it a try, and yes, trading is risky, and that's what I want to develop, and I want people to know how can we make trading as less risky as possible by doing a system that works. And I even showed you the COVID era. All these trades, you would have made massive money even when the market makes a big down move. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also have education videos on how to get your chart to look like this, so you have your own confidence. And I have a more detailed video talking about all three of these indicators together and how to make massive money. This is my analysis on Lockheed Martin. I want to see price closer to the upper band, which is around $470. That's going to fluctuate, so it can go up a little more or up a little down. If I really want to go heavy on bull size, I want to see this go near the 424 range. That is big bull size along with the time distance that I showed you guys. So do keep that in mind too, guys. Hope you guys like this. Like I said, though, join the premium Discord, give it a shot, and you will be a profitable trader. If anything, you will make well more than that $6. And I'm going to put that link down into the YouTube comments below and in my YouTube description where you can join the premium Discord and be on a community of great traders and do this professional full time. If you just give it a shot, that'll be in the link, the YouTube comments and description down below, and say join the premium Discord for my alerts. And also, guys, take the time to give this video a like, subscribe, and comment. Any type of engagement helps this video a lot to be shared along to other retail traders just like you, and helps the algorithm know that people like it. Because if you guys like it, I'll do more videos like this. I'll show you guys videos of, that people are talking about. I don't mind doing technical analysis for you guys if you guys are into stock and all that. So do take the time. It does actually help a lot. And I will see you guys into the YouTube, the premium Discord, and happy trading. Look forward to massive gains next week. Peace out.